Hey now, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Things you can do. You want to do them? That's fine with me. Got one that came in a Zenpop box, that's zenpop.jp. Use coupon code Ramen Raider to get a discount. Excuse me. Maruchan Kuta. What does Kuta mean? It means, I'm full. So, curry flavor. Letting you know. Nothing better than curry. And again, done 3 today. Each and every one. 3 minutes. What a weird day. Yeah. How you doing? I hope well. Thank you for watching. I really like that. That's nice. But yeah, cooking noodles. Go grab my kiddo in about a little bit, actually. Almost all done. Then I gotta take all the pictures I took and edit them, and gotta take this video and put the beginning and the end on it. And that's all I do to these. You're like, why doesn't he edit all those videos? It's like, oh, it would take a long time to edit 3 videos a day on top of the unboxings, on top of the top 10s. Those things take a lot of work. Oh my god. I mean, finally got a faster computer, but still, it still takes a buttload of time. Especially now that I'm not just doing the ramen thing, but we've got the chocolate break. Yeah. What's the chocolate break, you ask? You probably, are asking because a lot of people are watching it. I made a whole channel just for the chocolate break. I uploaded like 5 videos, weekly videos, like nobody watched it. I was like, I tried. But it's a show where me and my wife try different kinds of chocolate. And we definitely like different kinds of chocolate. One I liked had, what was it? It was really a stuffy flavor. It was like amaranth and scotch or something like that. She's like, I'm like, this is lovely. But yeah, there's the chocolatebreak.com, and I've really got to do some work on that. That only covers like the first 4 episodes. 4 or 5. Hopefully 5. And then there's there's just a playlist of chocolate break episodes. But I've been pushing those on Facebook, and they've gotten some traction. But I do also have a chocolate break page on Facebook. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'll probably just end up doing something fun. But yeah, generally a lot of video editing. Like a whole lot. Sometimes those chocolate break videos take 2 days to do. Whoa. Oh, the batteries died. This is review number 10 for the week, and tomorrow I'm doing 3 more, so I better charge that sucker. But yeah, 13 reviews in 1 week, that's the goal. Why only 1 on Wednesday? Well, I'll spend some time with my kid. So, what do we have here? Are you chicken? I hope not. Well, I don't mind. You can be chicken. No, you're potato. Carbs on carbs, ladies and gentlemen. Japan, I don't know. Noodles and potatoes just kind of are off-putting. I'm sure doing that is too. Let me get a better fork and A. There we go. What do we have here? This looks like a little bit of minced something. Yeah, check that out. Ah, that's minced pork. That's good. The broth is dark. Dark as night. Look at that. That's a good one. I haven't been a big fan of the weird QTTA ones. Like, they did a QTTA, oh, what was it? Mexican tacos flavor. I was just like, meh. Gimmick. Not into the gimmicky stuff so much. The, what's a good example? The Pringles one. Not super good. Here's some chicken I'm throwing in, just kind of hand shredding it. Seems like a logical thing to go. Chicken curry. And this kind of curry just begs for chicken. Sorry, speaker. And got some mung bean sprouts and spring onion. I'm just going to dump it all in. Stir it up. Oh, yeah. There we go. I'm gonna do some more chicken. Looking nice in there. Make it extra hearty. Beef noodle hearty. You remember that commercial? No? I'm finding day by day with a lot of the things that I remember that the back of my hand that seem like everybody should know that most people don't remember them, and that's because I'm old. How old am I, you ask? I'm 43. Bowl. I don't feel 43 though, what the hell? I'm not stuffy. I'm not married to a briefcase. Although I do respect fine leather briefcase. I have no problem with nice briefcase, but yeah. And if you have a briefcase that you carry on your person regularly, that's groovy, you know? Fried onion. Oh no, my egg. Chili flake. Okay, I'm sorry, egg. I did. That was like one of the main things we did on our walk today was get eggs. And unfortunately, one of them didn't make it. I went and did up my eggs, and I was like, oh no, one of my eggs didn't make it. I apologize, egg. I love egg. I hope that comes through on the microphone. What did you do this time? Nah. Could be a little less dunnery, but it's okay. And I'm going to throw more of this habanero stuff on here. Kind of bedazzling them, deviling them, bedeviling them, bedazzle devil. And I'll put some sesame seeds on top. Why not? And there you have it. There is some wicked awesome curry. Instant noodle cup action right there. Still need a rotatey dealy. But that's, I guess, what I'm for. I'm the wetware around here for rotating things. And yeah, so that was Maruchan's QTTA curry flavor cup from Japan, part of an Zenpop box, zenpop.jp. Coupon code is Ramen Raider. So rush out right now. It's from not this month's box, so obviously you won't get it in it, but you get a neat assortment in all these different subscription boxes. So, all right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.